Thank you, Honourable Speaker. The Honourable Speaker of Parliament, the Honourable Prime Minister, the Honourable Deputy Prime Minister, the Cabinet Ministers, my fellow Assistant Ministers, the Honourable Leader of Opposition, Honourable Members of Parliament, members of the media, and my fellow Fijians. Mr. Speaker, with your permission, I wish to deliver my contribution to 2026-2027 national budget in a mixed I-taukei language and English, so that my remarks are clearly and easily to follow. Turang na Speaker, autuda ke me ubaraita ke ni tokona na ituba-tuba bakilabo, inonda matistu na bagi bakilabo ronon dolurus ng lukaono, ronon dolurus ng lukabitu ka mositi ko na roman igual ni Moselawa ni Pua. Tadabuti na ba pinabinakabuan na turang Prime Minister, kina Minister di bakilabo, kaya ni Moselawa, kina non ray buke-buke, iliwin tanwi sangga, kina liwin ni Moselawa. Sa tabutalanga na bakabito pinakalibu na turang na Minister di bakilabo, na turang na uniwalo tunday na kanang garabi. Pagkaraw tayo na nonday tuba-tuba bakilabo, ang bagi bakilabo ko, pagkaraw menta sa babatayan. Mr. Speaker, the theme of this budget is a responsible budget for the sustainable future. Ay tuba-tuba bakilabo kana numikina na nonda bingauna may muri. Mr. Speaker, the budget has been prepared at a time when government must manage significant fiscal pressures, protect essential public services, and continue investing in Fiji's future. It also requires ministries to operate more efficiently with a 10% reduction in operational expenditure across government. The Honourable Minister for I-taukei Affairs will address the wider allocation of the ministry. I will therefore focus my remark on the equally important foundation of I-taukei development, our I-taukei language, culture, heritage, and traditional knowledge and artistic expression. Mr. Speaker, sustainable development is not measured only by the road we build, the service we provide, or income we generate. It is measured by whether our children know who they are, whether they can speak and understand their language, whether the knowledge of our elder is passed on, and whether our communities remain connected to the values and institutions that have sustained them through generations. Turang na Speaker, tamana ni Bosa, kena itobo bakabiti, and tambana tangomaka kamaruya. Dimitaka no nonda Bosa, kena itobo bakaitukei, and tambadaka ni bika bakaitukei. Rauta ni $2.5 million ay wasi-wasi bakilabo. Sebuan no tambana ni Bosa, kena itobo bakabiti, and nambagi bakilabo, ronondolo sa lukaono. And on the
2026 and
Ni baka tawatani kena yang bagi bakilabo sao ti ronondolo sa lukalima and ronondolo sa lukaono itumbu na yokaw ka bakilabo and tulo non raw tinkalima nondolo $100
has been an increase
raw
of
tipo na
$350,000
tumbongo lebu ka tinaka ng
that has
garabi
been allocated for this
garabi and aloma ni tambana ni
budgetary
tauke kena yokaw Rauta ni donon rau $2.5 nondolu $3.5
This will
and ambaki ronondolu $2.5
assist
ronondolu $1.5 katumbu
191,000
merauta $1.5 $2.5 and ambaki bakailaw. Mr. Speaker, it demonstrates that even within the budget requiring expenditure restraint, government recognizes that cultural preservation cannot continue to be postponed. Funding must therefore be translated in the measurable work in communities, properly preserved records, accessible resources, and stronger transmission of knowledge to the next generation. Mr. Speaker, language is the center of cultural identity. It is also through language that our children learn the meaning of relationship within the family, the Matangali, Yabusa, and the Vanua. It is through language that they understand protocol, traditional leadership, oral history, customary responsibility, and the values that guide communal life. Turangana Speaker,
Honorable Speaker,
Rauta Riwa Nondolu Nondola Evangole Kina Yoko Wakailavu,
close to
Membaleta no Raili Subi,
$9,000
ni Volavosa Wakaviti, Sena,
have been allocated
Monolingual
to the
Dictionary,
production
Ongenga
of,
na Itabimbi,
regional
Tambanongo and Kena, Tomanitiko, Nasasanga ni Kena Biwata na Ivolongo, the
its
Dictionary,
importance,
Ongo Medokana Rakinibula, and the Sandunumaka, Kena Visa Wekotama in the Wurawura, Membaleta na Kena Vakambimbi
in
Takin
accordance with the
This
changes that
dictionary must
we are
extend
facing.
beyond the correction of individual words. It also record specialized terms relating the customary institution, traditional skills, plants, fisheries, weather, foods, ceremonies, and relationship that is related to our totem and traditional lunar calendar. Therefore, it is my honor to inform the House that a total of 100 words has been meticulously researched, submitted to rigorous editorial committee review that will formally refer to the National Language Committee for their endorsement. A total of 100 words for the next financial year, which will be added to the second edition of Monolingual Dictionary, known as Ivola Fosa Wakaviti. Turanga Speaker,
Honorable Speaker,
Wanganumi na singa ni vosa ni vanua.
for the indigenous language,
Weka rosa mabulukan doni singa ni February na Biambak. Kena dona raunondo ya Vangali. Na kena ngarabi membaleta nandungele ni vosa ni vanua.
has been allocated
The
for the
Speaker says the
indigenous
outcome
language.
from 2025-2026 financial year demonstrate that our language activity are not merely ceremonial but a vital instrument of cultural resilience, educational equity, and national unity. The proposed activity for 2026-2027 are designed to deepen this impact, leveraging our digital momentum while expanding physical outreach to ensure that no indigenous Fijians and Rotumas is left behind in the journey to preserve our unique voices. We respectfully request Parliament to continue support the appropriation and realize this objective. Language preservation cannot be achieved by government alone. Language must continue to be spoken in our homes. Parents and grandparents must be encouraged to speak with children in the language and to explain the meaning behind the words, expressing the forms and of respect that they use. Turangana Speaker, Rauta Walsangabulu, Kawana Nondolu, Wana Raurusangabulu, Walsangabulu Karwana Yoko Kapagala, Membaleta, and Kena Mapetak, and Lonta Bosa, Wana Porokaramu, Etika Namba Kipagala Bongo. Mr. Speaker said this is an important investment because the I-taukei language is not uniform throughout Fiji. Our regional dialects preserve distinctive histories, identities, and ways of understanding the world. Linguistic mapping identifies areas where dialects remain strong, where usage is declining, and where urgent documentation is required. It includes the recording of elder and fluent speakers' pronunciation, oral traditions, specialist vocabulary, and differences in the meaning and usage among the community. Digital archiving is equally important. Audio recording, video recording, manuscript, photograph, and field notes will be preserved in formats that remain secure and accessible as technology changes. Digital preservation must be accompanied by appropriate safeguard. Mr. Speaker said, digital preservation will protect language and cultural knowledge for the future benefits of custodian. Turangana Speaker, wana sangabulu kabitu na undolu, wana lima sangabulu, ndola na yoka.
27,000.
Ibe wakanditaki ni tuku, enamba wakailabu, wana undolu, sangabulu kaono, ena wana undolu, sangabulu kabitu, mengarabikina, tolu na tikina, ena sano na itasiri, ena walu na koro, ena ruana tikina, ena sano mbua, ena tini kaban koro. Mr. Speaker said, cultural mapping has enable the collection of information about oral history, traditional practices, significant places, customary knowledge, and cultural expression throughout I-taukei communities. However, collecting information is only the first stage. The information must be returned to the relevant communities for authentication. Mr. Speaker, this program must be implemented with urgency, but it must not sacrifice accuracy. It must record different accounts where legitimate differences exist and avoid presenting disrupt information and settle facts. The process is also recognized that some knowledge is not made generally available. Mr. Speaker, I wish to inform the House that cultural data authentication has been completed for 86 villages across 16 districts in Naitasiri province during 2025-2026 financial year. For the 2026 and 2027 financial year, work as scheduled for 3 districts in Naitasiri province consisting 8 villages and 2 districts in Bua comprising 14 villages within outstanding authentication. Work expected to be finalized by the end of that quarter of 2027, completing a total of 108 villages. Turagana Speaker, Rotani Rono, Rosanga Luka Rono Ndolu, Limanan Ronan Dole Vongoli, Nakena Maroro in a Tukutu, Kambana Nivosa, Kena Itoba Bagaviti. Mr. Speaker, this includes interviews, recording, manuscript, photograph, genealogical information, cultural survey, and documentation of traditional practices. Mr. Speaker, to ensure the preservation and accessibility of the invaluable records which hold the voice of elder and knowledge that may no longer be wisely practiced, and those who are transcend and fiscal storage, media, and allocated funding will support proper cataloging, conservation, digitization, secure storage, and disaster preparedness, all underpinned by clear backup and recovery system, with the digitized collection ultimately made available through the cloud-based e-library. Fiji is exposed to cyclone, flooding, fire, humidity, and other risks that can damage physical and electronic records. Cultural preservation must therefore be included in institutional disaster preparedness. Turangana Speaker,
Honorable Speaker,
Rauta Vasanga Buluka, Lima Nondolu, Nandola Evangeli na Voliniaya, Nembaleta, Nasoba, Nitukutu. Mr. Speaker,
the procurement of
development of culture database must be closely connected, and the protection of traditional knowledge and expressions of culture. Traditional knowledge does not always fit comfortably within ordinary intellectual property laws. It may be collectively held rather than own one identifiable individual. It's ever been transmitted orally over many generations. It may belong to the particular community and be connected to its identity, history, and spiritual responsibility. Traditional design, story, performance, symbols, and knowledge can be reproduced and commercially exploited without proper permission, attribution, or benefits to the custodial community. A database may help document the existence and custodianship of cultural material, but documentation alone will not provide complete legal protection. Turangana Speaker, Honorable Talain ko wana ungan reba meu wakasabuya, and ambasalawa isa takatiko alawa kena maruroi na vika membalit kena. I wish to inform the House that 2025 we began a crucial process of data entry into the traditional knowledge and expression of culture TKEC database. To ensure the accuracy and efficiency of this process, we initially piloted the input procedures using data from province of Namosi and Serua. To date, the data management project team has successfully launched 1,596 authenticated recorded for Namosi province and 1,164 recorded Serua province. Furthermore, data entry for Lomaiviti province has commenced this year 2026 making a significant milestone in the progressing of this vital initiative. As 2026, the Institute has successfully digitized the cultural mapping data of 10 provinces, with the remaining 4 provinces, Kandavu, Lau, Nandonga, Navosa, and Ba, targeted for completion by 2030. Currently, approximately 3,873 audio recordings from those 4 provinces await digitization. Acquiring this advanced equipment will significantly expedite the processing of raw cultural mapping data and ensuring its secure preservation across both province backup hard drives and the ITC storage system. Turanga Speaker, lima sa bulan dulu evangoli yang programu beba bulan taki, bulan taki kena nabi kambali tikenda na buku I-taukei. Itu betul banggo eva tambahin dua. Na kena banggo ngata taki tal na vitikena. Vitiki ni nondo ito era saya litiko ya ni baka malua. Na bagi baka ila banggo na garabi kena tolu na wuli ni beba bulan taki. Banggo ya oka kena baka bulan taki. Na samu masi na koro na bukanda na sana bawa turang ora na meke ni angona na tuli koro na tikena o yawe na sana Kandavu na baka bulan taki ni buku I-taukei na tikena matilombau na sana na itasir. Mr. Speaker said, the holder of this knowledge, including traditional craftspeople, performers, composers, storytellers, builders, healers, fisheries, farmers, and other recognition specialists. Mr. Speaker said, government must support this knowledge holder to teach others while they are still able to do so. Revitalization, therefore, involves structured transmission, not only demonstration. Through cultural revitalization, workshop, knowledge on the brink of extinction, it's effectively transmitted across generations within the community. Mr. Speaker said, attention should be directed towards a knowledge that is held exclusively by the limited number of elderly custodians or living human treasures, referred to locally as a randau, or that is concentrated within community currently facing relocation, demographic decline, or the significant pressures. Mr. Speaker, I wish to inform the House that we have successfully conducted 40 revitalization workshops across all 14 provinces. This workshop cover a broad spectrum of I-taukei traditional practices, including oral traditional, social practice, and traditional ceremonies, performing arts, traditional entertainment, such as meke, dance, voodoo, chants, craftsmen, encompassing masi, kuwi, backcloth, traditional mat weaving, shoveling mangiti, and etc. For the current financial year 2025, the team conducted a specialized revitalization workshop in Talieri, in Rautata, or traditional fan weaving in Rautata village, district of Mbau, Ilevu province. Tarabale Bagabiti, or traditional Mbure building, Vanuatu village district of Vanuatu, Lomaibiti province. And pre-assessment exercise for Meke Angona Bawaturanga traditional ceremony and Tulikoro Bagabiti traditional poetry making in Nangalutu village, district of Wayawe, Kandavu province. Looking ahead for the next financial year, 2026-2027, the plan includes 3 more revitalization workshops. Turangana Speaker, Dona Rau,
Speaker,
Nong Dole Vangolei, and the Vakarana Mataki, ni Tovo, and Solevu, ni I-taukei. The Tubatuango, a Vakatambakin Dwasaranga, and a Kenandong Gravi, a Vakarana Mataki, and Nonda Delania, who Vaturanga, Nonda Tumberi, and a Kawambula, Evite and a Singani Mataka. Turangana Speaker, Dolson Bulondo, Vangolei, a Kenana Numina Singani I-taukei, Nivan Wura, and the Vakadori, and a Kadione. Singani vula ko kusita singango da wana rumikina bura non da bamblai na I-taukei ni bosa ni vanua en anduindu bura Turangana Mr. Speaker Cultural preservation and economic development is not treated as opposing objective. Our culture custodians are to be able to earn a fair livelihood from their skills while maintaining authenticity and respecting the rights of their community. The budget introduced a new tax incentive for the company within the last 30% I-taukei shareholder investing in ecotourism, culture tourism, and arts-related business, qualifying investment between 5 million to 10 million will receive in the next 7 years tax holiday, while investment above 10 million will receive 13 years tax holiday. Ministry of Finance. Mr. Speaker said, an allocation in the budget is not by itself an achievement. The test will whether the funding produce tangible and lasting record. The Ministry and TILC must ensure timely implementation. The institution work must be reported not only through expenditure figures, but through substantive outcome. The reduction in general operation expenditure means that the resource must concentrate on frontline and community-based activity. We should reduce expenditure on workshop and events at the end without following up. Mr. Speaker, I acknowledge the permanent Secretary for I-taukei Affairs and the officer of the ministry, particularly the acknowledge the Director of Staff in I-taukei Institute of Language Culture undertake the detailed work and research, documentation, and education preservation of our community. I acknowledge the Great Council of Chief, Provincial Council, Bosebonua traditional leaders, and community representatives who guide and support cultural work. I acknowledge the elder of the Randau, language specialists, craft people, artists, performers, storytellers, and all who transmit traditional knowledge. Government institutions can provide funding, research, and coordination, but culture remains alive because people continue to speak language, practice the knowledge, and teach it to others. In conclusion, Mr. Speaker, our responsibility is to help create the condition in which that inheritance remains living, protected, and meaningful. With responsible implementation, strong community participation, and proper accountability, this budget can help ensure that I-taukei language, culture, heritage, and arts remain a source of strength for our people and for our nation. Turangana Speaker, miutinia, unganreva mi ubakaritaka.
In conclusion,
Nongu toko na naitua bakailawo ni ambaki bakailawo runondolo rusang bulukavitu kaduaban. Kena lawa bakaturi ni mboselawa. Kulungataka na panua kena kombulan kalumbu inawali.